Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jaime Andrea Borges Maldonado. I will tell you an anecdote 12 years ago. To start, my parents have always worked hard to provide my siblings and me with everything we need because they could not be home with us all the time. My sister and I took care of my little brother. In the morning, my sister took care of him. She bathed him. She dressed him. She gave him breakfast and took him to the kindergarten. I studied in the morning and in the afternoon I picked him up in the kindergarten and took care of him while my parents came home. One day the school cancel classes and I decided to collaborate with the care of my little brother. We head up early and we enlist the child to go to the kindergarten. When it was time to take it, the child did no appear. We started looking for it under the vest, behind the doors and all over the house. My sister and I think that time passed and the child did not appear. We decided to wake my dad and until him was happening. My dad, my sister, and I continued the search, but time passed, and the shield did not appear. Everything was anguish on one moment to another. My dad decided to open the closet of the main room and discovered that the shield was hiding there. The shield screamed, "Boo! Boo!" My father, full on rage, takes him out of there and punishes him strangely. In this moment, we still remember the event and we think that the innocence of a child is enormous. Know that children at that young age have no evil. They take everything as a game. However, it is important to care for them and punish them when necessary. Finally, my little brother learned the lesson and he had experience not to hide again and unless in that way. Thank you.